Welcome back to the Brit Post Show. My name's Greg, and today I have the Hot Rod Gift with Purchase set 40409. It comes with purchases over £85. It contains 142 pieces, and it's roughly based off of the old Lego set Blue Fury 5541 back in 1995. It's got a lot less pieces than that older set, so it doesn't really match up to that at all. It doesn't really grab any features from it. It's got two minifigures, a female mechanic and a type of jock-esque racer boy. It's got a few nice pieces that I can see from the box there, but I can't wait to crack it open. So in the box we have two bags, one of the small bits, one of the larger bits, a sheet of 5 stickers, 2 hot rod badges, 2 piston engine details and a license plate. Got 2 separate plates there, 2x12s, and a small instruction booklet. Let's build. So there we have it, the final build of this hot rod. I really enjoyed building this one. It's quite quick, only being 142 pieces. It's got a couple of nice exhaust pipes there, each side. Good use of them. Like the folded down canopy, it's also a nice touch. The interior is okay. It's not like the most interesting of interiors. There's no dash, there's no printing on the inside. The pistons on the engine are stickers, as well as the hot rod sign on both sides. Would have liked printed tiles, but I mean, for a set that's a gift with purchase, it's not bad. We've got the bigger wheels at the back, smaller at the front, that hot rod type feel. Got the grille there. Yeah, I mean, for what it is, it's a nice little car. It's the right scale for anyone's Lego city. I can see this driving around the streets. Yes, it's a nice little build, that. Onto the minifigures. You've got the jock with the sunglasses and his cool hair. He's got I think that's possibly a new torso, not too sure. It's got NH printed on it. It's got some car keys on with some splashes of oil. Possibly he's tried to fix it himself and he's had some trouble, so he's taken it to the shop. This is where we meet the female mechanic. This is one of the better of the two figures. Get a new torso print with some pens in the pocket and one unbuttoned dungarees top, which is quite nice. Got the nice moulded cap with hair. She's actually got two alternate faces. One's covered in oil and the other one's got a kind of a angry type, I must get this job finished look to her face, to her expression. She's holding a chrome wrench and a black hammer. So yeah, all in all, a very good little set. Comes with 142 pieces. The number is 40409 and it's free with purchases over £85 currently. Thank you for joining me today. Please head over to the website thebrickpost.com. Also check out our Instagram and Facebook. We also have a podcast out. Me and my mate Dave chat about Lego and Lego news. It's available on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, on the website too. Please check that out. Don't forget to give this video a like and a subscribe. And I will see you next time. Thank you.